a perfect view from any angle. Thanks to the Rotoclear camera, based on the principle of a rotating window. Equipped with a high-resolution camera and 4K quality for direct monitoring of the tool or the entire workspace. The Rotoclear camera consistently delivers a crystal clear picture of your processing. Observe and record your processes even under the harshest conditions. With the camera mounted on the machine and the control unit fitted in the cabinet, you will receive a live stream directly on your monitor. Rotoclear camera, a must-have for your tool machine.